Welcome back, friends. In the last video we have seen how to read an income statement. In this video we will see what an income statement tells us and what does it mean. So far as we have seen the standalone result of the Sequence Scientific Limited. So here we will see the consolidated result, which includes the result of 23 companies which comes under Sequence Scientific. So here the total income, which is 36,102.4, and expenses of 30,969.4, and profit before tax, which is 5,133, total tax expenses of 1,163.9, and the profit after tax, which is 3,969.1. So total other comprehensive income, which is 5,160. Here we can see the observation that to generate an income of 36,102.4, they have spent 30,969.4, which is 85% of the income is going for the expenses. So remaining 15% is what the company has left, out of which the company is paying 3.2% as taxes. So remaining 11.8% is the profit for this company. So in this statement we can see there are some things which are fixed and some things which can be varied. So some of the things which they can vary are cost of materials consumed. So the material will be the same quantity, but if so in future the raw material prices decreases, this company may generate good profits. Like here in this quarter they have generated 11.8%. So after decreasing of the prices they can exceed the profit. So as the finance cost, if they have expended the profit in this quarter to repay some loan amount, so in the next quarter they can somewhat decrease the loan amount. So here we can see in the previous quarter they have paid 736.1, but in this quarter they have paid 620, which means they have decreased the loan amount, which is also a good sign for this company. So we will see another statement, which is of Coffee Day Enterprises, which is Cave Coffee Day. So they have an income of 290.34 crores and the expenses of 413.63, which is a massive amount, exceeding the total income. Means the expenses are 142% of the total income. Here they are spending 142 rupees to generate 100 rupees, which is a bad sign. So what are the things which this company has incurred losses? So here in the expense we can see the company has good raw material cost, but the cost of integrated logistics services, which is a high, which is a bad sign. And second thing, finance cost, which they have taken. So in the previous quarter we can see which is very high. Other expenses also very high. So after the expenses, this company has a total loss of 110.4. So both these companies belong to different sectors. We cannot compare these two companies because Sequence Scientific Limited belongs to pharma sector, whereas Coffee Day belongs to food processing. Every sector has their own profitability and we cannot compare, but we can compare companies having in the same sector. So only to show you what a profit statement and a loss statement looks like, I have shown these two statements. So ultimate goal of any business should be the profit making. Also while seeing the financial statements, what we have to see is like from the previous quarter to this quarter, is the company growing or not, like total income is growing or not, and are they maintaining better financials, is the profitability ratio increasing or not, like that. So these are the things which you have to see, and some other things, paying the debts time to time and decreasing the interest cost so that the profit can be increased. So these are the some things which we have to observe in the financial statements. And in the last section here we can see the earnings per share. In the previous quarter, Sequence Scientific has earnings per share of 0.86 pice, but whereas in this quarter Sequence Scientific has 1.52 pice, which is almost the double. which is a good sign for this company, so we can consider to invest in this company. So in the next video we will see about balance sheet, how to read it. So stay tuned to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.